A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Finding Disney travel agent jobs? Do a web search. There are a lot of travel agencies that specialize in trips to Disney destinations. Start by searching for Disney travel agent jobs or Disney travel planner jobs. Since many of these jobs allow you to work from home, don't worry too much about narrowing the search down to your area. Look for officially authorized planners. Once you've picked out a few possible agencies, take a quick look at their credentials. Check for the authorized Disney Vacation Planner logo. Agencies that are in good standing with Disney receive earmarked status with 4 levels of recognition: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. Earmarked agencies have access to a variety of benefits and resources for their agents, including marketing and sales support, online and on-site training opportunities, free theme park passes and discounted travel rates, and a points-based rewards program. Make sure the agency is accredited. Reputable travel agencies should be accredited by an association such as Playa Cruise Lines International Association or IATA International Airlines Travel Agent Network. Check to see if your potential agency is in good standing with at least one of these organizations before applying. Watch out for scams. Some agencies are more interested in getting money out of you than they are in helping you become a successful travel agent. Steer clear of companies that charge a lot of fees upfront when you apply, such as training fees and registration fees. A reputable agency in good standing with Disney should offer new employees the official Disney Travel Agent Training course, called the College of Disney Knowledge, for free. Talk to other agents in the company. If you can, reach out to both current and past agents with the company you are interested in. Ask them about their experiences working with the agency. Come up with a few questions, such as, do you get your commissions in a timely manner? Is the agency good at communicating with you and answering your questions? How was the training? Did you feel like you were able to take full advantage of the official Disney training and support materials? Has this agency been in business for a while? Does it seem like they know what they are doing? Applying to be a Disney travel agent. Fill out an online application. Most Disney authorized travel agencies allow you to apply easily from their websites. Look for the Join Our Team link on the website of the agency you'd like to apply to. Read the instructions carefully and fill out the application form. Demonstrate your knowledge of Disney properties. Most Disney travel agencies won't hire someone who's never visited a Disney destination. In fact, some agencies will not even accept applications from people who haven't been on at least 3 Disney vacations in the past 5 years. Be ready to list all your Disney vacations and give detailed accounts of your experiences. Show off your knowledge of the different destinations and what they have to offer. Let them know that you're passionate about Disney. In addition to having knowledge and experience of Disney destinations and vacations, agencies will want to see that you are generally knowledgeable and excited about the Disney brand. If you're a big Disney buff, let your enthusiasm shine through in your application. For example, you might say things like, "I'll never forget my first trip to Disney World when I was 7. I'll always look back on it as one of the happiest times of my life. I'm the biggest Disney geek I know. I know every song from Alice in Wonderland by heart. Disney's movies and parks have brought me so much joy, and I'd love to share that joy with others through my work." Provide details on relevant experience. Most Disney travel agencies don't absolutely require you to have professional travel planning experience. However, it's a big plus if you do. If you've ever worked in travel planning or a related industry, make sure to note it in your application. Experience with customer service or doing freelance work are also major advantages. Clear your schedule. Before you apply for a Disney travel agent job, make sure that you can commit plenty of time to the work. A successful travel agent needs to spend a lot of time working with clients, airlines, and destinations to make sure that each client gets their ideal vacation package. Before you apply, consider whether you have any other commitments that might interfere with your work for the agency. Show off your tech-savvy side. Travel agents need to be comfortable working with a variety of technology and software. In order to do your job well, you'll need access to a smartphone and a computer with high-speed internet. You'll also need to be comfortable using office software and online travel booking systems. Make sure to highlight your tech skills in your application. Build up a strong social media presence. Social media is an invaluable tool for a successful travel agent. As a Disney travel agent, you'll be expected to create social media accounts dedicated to marketing and sharing information about Disney travel opportunities. Travel agencies will want to see that you already have a strong personal network, with plenty of connections, any of whom might be a potential client. Some agencies may also ask for information about your activities on travel discussion groups and Disney fan communities. If you already have a presence in those kinds of groups, be conscious of how you conduct yourself. Understanding the work. Be willing to work on commission. Most Disney travel agencies hire their agents as professional contractors. That means you get paid for each trip that you successfully book, rather than receiving a regular salary or hourly wage. The commission rate you get will vary depending on the agency you're working with and how experienced you are as an agent. Disney pays travel agencies a 10% commission on any travel booked through the agency. In turn, the individual agent who booked the trip typically gets between 50 and 75% of what the agency receives. If you help someone book a vacation, you can expect to get a commission of vacation of. Be prepared for payment delays. The nature of working on commission means that it can take a while to get your cut. Disney won't pay out the commission to your agency until the trip is completed. If your client booked their trip far in advance, you could be waiting for up to a year to receive your cut. Because of these delays, it takes time to get a steady income established. Make sure you have a good financial safety net in place before you start trying to work full-time as a Disney travel agent. Keep your schedule flexible. Some vacations are more complicated to book than others, and some clients may be extra demanding. Sometimes you may need to scramble to take advantage of limited-time travel promotions and discounts. Be prepared to work weekends, late nights, and early mornings. Polish up your communication skills. In order to succeed as a Disney travel agent, you'll need to be good at communicating clearly and promptly with clients, representatives at destinations and airlines, and your agency. Keep your tone friendly but professional in both written and spoken conversations, and check your emails carefully to make sure they are clear and error-free. Stay on top of the details. While some clients may just be interested in scoring the least expensive direct flight to their destination, others will want your help planning out the most minute details of their trip, down to making dinner reservations or booking tickets for shows. You will need to be well organized, detail-oriented, and efficient in order to meet all of your clients' needs as completely as possible. Be ready to do your own advertising. Disney provides a variety of helpful marketing materials to its earmarked agencies, including brochures, postcards, flyers, website templates, and ready-made social media content. However, it's up to you to use those materials effectively and find your own clients. Be ready to reach out to friends, family, acquaintances, and business contacts to help you build your client base. Reach out to your support network. Travel planning is a complicated business. As you're trying to learn the ropes, remember that you and your fellow agents are part of a team, not competitors. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to more experienced agents. Contact your agency's owner or get in touch with Disney Destinations Sales Support Department at 1-800-939-8265.